Well, it sure was a windy day on this Tuesday, and we warmed up again back into the 80s thanks to those south winds. Really had to hold on to those hats today, but the wind will die down tomorrow. Here is a look at those peak wind gusts today, and yes, it was on the windy side. Those gusts at 36 miles an hour in Corpus Christi. That's a picture of my banana plant getting blown around and leaves shredded by this wind today. Rockport with a peak gust of 31, and Kingsville 31. Beeville had a 35 mile an hour wind gust this afternoon, and it's still windy out there. Temperatures are warm too. We're sitting at 84 degrees at Kingsville to 79 Rockport. Robstown, you're at 86 to 83 at Mathis. South winds inland not as strong, about 10 to about 15 miles an hour, but as you get closer to the coast, still really blowing in Corpus Christi with 21 mile an hour winds right now. Now those will gradually come down this evening, and notice the wind arrows there. They shift from the south back to the north and east. That is another cold front coming through tomorrow. Cold, nothing with it, no cold air, but it is going to just shift our winds around, and tomorrow will not be as windy. So for tonight, temperatures stay pretty mild out there again, with mostly clear skies and that southeast wind subsiding as we go through the night. Temperatures in near 70 at the coast and lower to mid 60s farther inland. 68 at Corpus Christi tonight, and then tomorrow not as windy for your Wednesday. A beautiful day tomorrow, but still warm. We're looking at high temperatures reaching into the lower to mid 80s for the middle of the week, with 83 Corpus Christi, 82 George West, 78 at Port Aransas. Lots of sunshine tomorrow, and the wind not as strong, coming in from the northeast up to 15. If you're heading to the beach tomorrow, temperatures will be in the upper 70s tomorrow, and that water temperature at Port Aransas is at 72. Look for 3 to 4 foot waves, and the winds again not as strong. Now this is a look at the daily wind forecast for 5 o'clock in the afternoon. You'll notice the breezes pick up a little bit again Thursday and into Friday, and then it's windier Saturday. And notice the wind direction shifting to the northwest. That is our cold front. That's going to usher in that colder air, which you can see here to the north. And certainly there has been a change as those temperatures have really cooled down here to the north and west. Now that air is eventually going to make its way in here, but not until Friday night. That's when that front moves through the area. This first cold front you're seeing right here on the graphic, this one is the one that comes through tomorrow. All it's going to do is shift our winds. It's not even going to cool us down. But Saturday's front is to the north and west. You could see it off the northwest coast, and that's the one that will eventually send some cooler air in our direction. So looking at an hourly forecast here, you can see this is Thanksgiving. Looks beautiful. Nice day on Thanksgiving. If you have the day off, well, you have some time to get outside. Lots of sunshine, a warm afternoon, a little breezy. And then as we head into Friday, notice by evening we start to see that rain increasing. I think we could have a few showers Friday afternoon. Rain will increase Friday night, and watch the wind arrows as they shift to the northwest. That's behind our front early Saturday. Rain is likely early Saturday. It'll be breezy and much cooler, with clouds clearing early Sunday. We'll end up with some really cool air, especially at night, as we're going to see those nights in the 40s and 50s. 1 to 2 inches of rain possible north of Corpus Christi. That's potential rainfall, a half an inch to an inch south through Saturday. So we're keeping our fingers crossed for that much needed rain as our drought continues, and the rain is much needed. Much cooler temperatures too. Nights in the 40s by Saturday night and Sunday night, down to near 40 by Monday night. Days only in the low to mid 60s. Drew?